Well, here are your 5 benefits of doing the detox in a healthy way. Number 1, a gut cleanse. That's the main role of a detox. Your system gets very acidic over a period of time due to eating trans fatty acid rich food, eating outside, having a lot of junk food. Also, there is worm infestation because of eating outside food. There can be constipation, acid reflux, also acne breakouts. So there are multiple problems, and these all occur because of lack of hydration, lack of fiber, lack of exercise. It causes a lot of bloating. So for some people it also causes allergies. Well, in such a case, it's important for us to keep our system very light. So a detox helps you get your system very alkaline. It actually flushes out all this and makes your intestines much more cleaner. So that's exactly why we call it a gut cleanse. The second benefit of doing the detox challenge is fights bloating and burns belly fat. Well, a lot of people complain of belly fat. There is a lot of inch gain over a period of time, and this also happens because of bloating. So because your system is always bloated and you're uneasy, it not only makes you sluggish, it not only makes you very demotivated and stresses you out, makes you lazy, but at the same time it also causes a broader waistline. So you also develop a lot of flatulence, gas, indigestion, and all those issues. This is where your detox really works. And once you're feeling lighter, your stomach and your inches will start showing the results. A lot of people have benefited within 3 days by losing 3.5 inches in simply 3 days. So that's a great example of how this bloating has completely disappeared, and it has made a huge difference to your waistline. The third benefit is it helps you to break the stubborn weight plateau. So our weight gets plateaued over a period of time due to doing erratic diets. Also doing diets off the internet, doing all kinds of fad diets, crash diets, people who are suffering from medical conditions, hormonal imbalance, all those issues cause a stubborn weight plateau. When you're doing a detox, it completely cleanses your system out, as a result of which your body is now with renewed metabolism. You're able to take on the new food, absorb the new nutrients, and so you're able to get the benefit of being able to start a healthy new regimen and achieve the results that you always desire. So it's a great way to break your plateau. The fourth benefit is moderates unidentified medical conditions. When I say unidentified, it could be deficiencies. A lot of people are not aware that they are deficient to many things, as a result of which their energy levels have gone down. And how do these deficiencies occur? Mainly because of lack of antioxidants. So these cause stomach pain, acidity. You also have food intolerance which you're not aware of, it's unidentified. Also things like skin rash and skin spasms. So these are the issues that a lot of people face, and they are not even aware that this could be because something is not right in the absorption of the food that they're eating. When you are correcting your system and putting it through a gut cleanse, your system is again rejuvenated, as a result of which you will not have any of these problems. Yes, and the fifth and final benefit is radiant skin. So a lot of people ask me, what do I do for my skin? Well, this is one of the key things. Drinking a lot of fluids, a lot of fiber is the main key. So we blame so many times our melasma, acne, pimples to probably exposure to sunlight or genetics, but the main cause of these problems is poor eating habits. So you need to eat right. You need to make sure that you have all the antioxidants, all the fluids, all the fiber that you need, so that your system is clean, because a clean system reflects on clear skin.